Ever pondered over the question, which is more economical, a CNG or an electric car? Today, we delve into this intriguing topic, comparing these two types of vehicles side by side on a variety of parameters. Starting with the carbon footprint, it's a well-known fact that electric cars produce zero tailpipe emissions. By contrast, CNG cars do emit greenhouse gases, albeit in much lower quantities than their petrol or diesel counterparts. However, it's worth noting that the production of electricity to power electric cars can also contribute to carbon emissions, depending on the source of the electricity. Therefore, while electric cars may seem to have an edge in this aspect, the reality is a tad more complex. Moving on to economy. Electric cars have a higher initial cost compared to CNG cars. However, the cost of electricity used to charge electric cars is significantly lower than the cost of compressed natural gas. Furthermore, electric cars tend to have fewer moving parts, which can reduce maintenance costs over time. On the other hand, CNG cars are cheaper to buy initially, and the cost of CNG is also relatively low. Now let's talk about power and torque. Electric cars generally deliver instant torque, offering quick acceleration. CNG cars, however, may experience a slight reduction in power and torque compared to their petrol versions. As for mileage, electric cars offer a range that is usually sufficient for daily city commuting. CNG cars, on the other hand, provide a longer range on a single tank, which may be more suitable for long-distance travel. Considering the cost per kilometer, electric cars generally have a lower cost per kilometer compared to CNG cars, thanks to their high energy efficiency and lower fuel costs. Now, taking into account the maintenance, electric cars typically require less frequent servicing due to their fewer moving parts. CNG cars, while requiring more regular maintenance, can be serviced at more locations due to their widespread popularity. In conclusion, both CNG and electric cars have their own set of advantages. Electric cars are more eco-friendly, powerful, economical in the long run, and require less maintenance. However, CNG cars are more affordable initially, provide a longer range, and are easier to service. Therefore, the choice between a CNG and an electric car ultimately depends on your individual needs and priorities. Thank